Good morning, YouTube. This is Nick. Happy Monday. The truck missing under acceleration. Also, I've had, which I didn't even correlate, for about, gosh, I don't know if it's been since I've owned the truck for a year, but I know it's longer than I can remember. I've had a miss at idle. So when the truck's idling, it'll just do a little bloop, bloop, bloop in the motor, just like it's missing, hiccuping. Figured that was normal. It's fixed. Doesn't do that anymore. Doesn't miss under acceleration either. The issue was the spark plug wires. I had that P0300 code. I also had a not stored code for cylinder 2 misfire. Probably could have replaced that spark plug wire and been fine, but I replaced them all. The dealership wanted $36, $38 a wire. So to do all 8 of them would have been like $280+. Called O'Reilly's here in our local area. They had a lifetime guaranteed set. The Ultima Selects for $73, $74 for a whole set of 8. This is the original wires. I couldn't find anything wrong with them. You know, no melt spots, no nothing like that. I'll show you what the new ones look like. They're a little different. And I like them. There's a lot of heat. These motors, I mean, being a big block, cast iron block, towing, we tow our camper quite a bit. They're going to put out, the motor's going to put out a lot of heat. Spark plugs sit right on top of the manifolds. Well, kind of to the side of it, but the wires go on top of the manifolds. Those are the new wires with their boots on them there. Those heat shields, I think, are going to be wonderful. You can't quite see all of them back in there, but anyway, truck's getting better gas mileage. I haven't had a chance to really bring it out on the highway and see, but better gas mileage. It shifts better. It holds its gears longer, so if I'm pulling a hill, it's not downshifting, trying to get the power to go up the hill. It's just sticking into the low RPMs. I can pull some fairly steep hills in our area at around 1200 RPMs. Before those same hills, it would downshift, try to get me up around 2,000 RPMs to pull the hill. Don't need a copyright infringement here. So truck's idling. It used to always, I mean, you could feel it and you could see, if I held this camera right here, you could literally see the dash right there shaking at idle, and it just idles so smooth now. Miles per gallon, that 20.1 is not accurate. We went up to the mountains yesterday, and it's all downhill on the way back. So with a friend that has an LML and telling him that the spark plug wires really did the trick. When we got back to town, it actually showed that I had like 27.8 miles per gallon. So I sent him a picture of that, and that's kind of what's left now after driving around town this morning. Anyway, spark plug wires. You got a miss in your truck if it's doing that pop, 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 pop under hard acceleration. I would bet the farm that it's your spark plug wires on these things. And you know, affordable fix if you go through somebody else. Dealership, $280. I mean, still not horrible to fix your rig, but $70 some is a better deal. And here's the thing with the dealership stuff. 12-month or 10,000 mile warranty. These Ultimas or whatever the heck they are from O'Reilly's, lifetime guaranteed. Can't beat lifetime guaranteed. So anyway, hope everybody has a great day. Until next time, the saga will continue. But again, truck shifts way better, holds its gears. It's not hunting around for gears as much. Way better shifting. Way better power. I'm really curious to see what my gas mileage was. The best I ever got on the highway around here, and granted our highways, nothing's flat, right? So it's uphill or downhill, but best I would get around here would be 14 and a quarter, 14 and a half max if I was being really sensitive. So we'll see what happens. Peace out.